Welcome back from the break. My name is Cruddy, and you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram at the Cruddy. That's TheKruddy. Now, keeping the show rolling, leaving you with some excitement. Check out Etana's performance at the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival in Florida. Remember, we're here in halfway tree, and my name is Cruddy. You are watching Pree Dis, and it's now time for the SIPS Healthy Living Tip of the Week. So listen up and get some health benefits right here on your favorite show.
This healthy living tip is brought to you by Sips Spring Water. Simply Sips. Bad breath is a clear sign that your body needs more water. Your saliva helps your teeth free from bacteria and keeps your tongue hydrated. So whenever you suffer from bad breath, the first thing that you need to do is to drink plenty of water. And also, you can use water to rinse your mouth properly to get rid of food particles and bacteria that may be stuck in between your teeth and your gum line. The healthy living tip brought to you by Sips Spring Water.
So that's it for the Healthy Living Tip of the Week, brought to you by SIPS. It's now time for the Fuel Saving Tip of the Week, and it's brought to you by Petcom in Ocherius and Undone Robin. So listen up right now. If you own a vehicle, if you aspire to own one, this one can be of some benefit. Listen up right now. Pree Dis.
This fuel saving tip is brought to you by Petcom Don Robin and Petcom in Ocherius. Change your oil as outlined in the manual for your motor vehicle. Clean oil reduces wear and tear caused by friction between moving parts and removes harmful substances from the engine. The fuel saving tip brought to you by Petcom Don Robin and Petcom in Ocherius.
We are going for our final commercial break. When we get back, we have the top 10 chart, we have the youth in sports feature. Listen to me, you're watching Pree Dis, keep it locked.